Hello everybody, so today we are going to be unboxing the contents of this box right here. I'm going to get on this side actually because I think the lighting is a little bit better from this side. Anyway, so yeah, we are going to be unboxing the contents of this box. So let's get it open. I am excited. So open it up. Ta-da! Can you see what it is? Let's get it out of this box. Okay, here we go. So, here we go. Look at how amazing that box is. Can you see all of the duochrome goodness in this box? So yes, as you can see, this is the GHD Wonderland Professional 5 styler, limited edition. Got this from Look Fantastic, I believe it was, because it was the cheapest place for it because previous ones had broken. So yes, so let's open it up. I love this box, it's so amazing. So the first thing you come to is this carry case. Again, it's got the different coloured piping on it, a little zip here, and you get some little GHD divider clips. And then this folds out into a heatproof mat. So that's kind of good. That's good. And then you move on to the straighteners themselves. Wow. These are like amazing. In different light they are different colours, as you can see. Yeah, these feel good. So they come with a twizzle at the base and then your plug and a really long cable as well. These are amazing. I love this colour. Yeah, they're amazing. You also get the protector, so when you're not using them you can just put the protector on like that. And then you also get validate your guarantee. So it's just a little bit of information in there. And the V Gold Professional Styler. So yeah, that is everything you get in your box. These look amazing. They just look so cool. They've got a little GHD logo on there as well. And on there. So yeah, these things are very nice. I like these an awful lot. Put the protector back on. On the protector as well, they also say GHD on them. So yeah, that is it. So thank you for watching this unboxing and I'll see you all soon. Adios.